Hello everyone, I am Kim from Yesterday's Tomorrows. I'm here to show you how to create some beautiful Christmas tags using essential stencils and just some plain manila tags that I purchased on Amazon. So let me show you the ones right here. Look how cute. Wishing you muffin but a Merry Christmas. And also Merry Christmas. How adorable are these tags that you can make to put on maybe some homemade goods that you're giving someone for a gift for the holidays. Now, I liked everything vintage, so I'm just taking some of the archival ink in the color Ground Espresso, and I call them daubers. And I'm just putting some of the ink on these manila tags just so they start to look more old and vintagey when I go to put my stencils on them. So if you can see what I'm just doing here, look how that looks. Compare one to the other. The other one now is looking very vintagey. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the other one, doing the same thing. Just take the dauber and just rough your paper up with the ink. That's all it is, and it will turn that plain manila tag into a vintage looking tag in matter of minutes. So now I'm just taking pixie spray. Pixie spray is going to be your best friend if you do a lot of stenciling. It gives it a light tack on the back, so you just want to spray it just like so. Shake it a little bit just to get the wetness off of it, and then just apply it to whatever surface you're putting your stencils on. And if you can see right here, I'm placing it right on there. And then I'm going to take my fingers and just give it a little bit of a rub just to put the tack down. Now, the pixie spray gives it a very, very light tack. So you can peel it off, and you don't have to worry if you're putting it on a painted surface that it's going to take the paint off, because it will not take the paint off. It's a very, very light tack, and it's water-based, so it will come off with hot soapy water if you're worried about that. All right, so now I'm just putting a little tape down for some of the area that I do not want to get part of the paint that I'm going to be using on the stencil. And then I'm going to be using two beautiful colors. They're both by Apple Barrel, and one is called English Ivy, and the other is a beautiful, beautiful, it's like a cranberry color, and it's called Tuscan Red. So this is the color I'm using right now. It's called Tuscan Red. It's by Apple Barrel, and it's a pretty, it's like a vintagey red. And it is, I think you can buy them in Walmart, or they carry it also on Amazon for exactly the same price. So it's like a cranberry red. Now this color I'm using now is called English Ivy Green. It is also by Apple Barrel, and it's a really, really pretty. Also, I consider it like a vintagey green. So it's all going to come together with this vintage looking tag that I'm creating. And then if you can see, look at that, 1, 2, 3, and it just comes right off. And look at the clean, crisp lines that you get by using the pixie spray. I'm telling you, pixie spray is going to be your best friend if you're going to be doing stenciling. You can get your pixie spray on Amazon. It will be your best friend by using good quality brushes, good quality stencils, and pixie spray. You can turn your stenciling into looking like a pro did it. All right, so I'm just using the same thing again. I'm using the Tuscan Red on the top of this one, and then on the bottom, I'm using the English Ivy Green. All these colors and the pixie spray I will have down below that you can find in my Amazon shop if you are interested. So you're just doing it in a swirling motion. Don't press down hard with your brush. Let your brush do the work. You don't need to be pressing down hard. Just do it in a swirling motion and you're done. And here we go. Voila! I love this part. And look how pretty. Wishing you muffin but a Merry Christmas. How adorable are these tags to put on a gift for someone. Now I just have this ribbon, I believe. Yes, I did. I got it in Hobby Lobby, and they have the same colors, the green and the red, and I'm just putting them on the tags so then I can apply it to whatever present that I'm going to give someone. You could even just take these tags and put them in a Christmas tree. They would look really, really cute. If I was giving this as a gift, on the back, I would put my name, a little sentiment, and the year that I gave it to them. So after the person has eaten their muffins or their Christmas mints, they will always have something to remember you by. So now just taking the string, right there you go, just loop it through, 1, 2, 3. And now you have 2 beautiful tags to put on some Christmas gifts for someone or just to hang in your Christmas tree. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I would love to have you back again. Thank you so much. This is Kim from Yesterday's Tomorrows. Thank you.